Yeah, okay. So hello everybody, my name is David Cuenca Tudela, and yeah, I've been a Wikimedia contributor for 15 years, and I'm a recent pirate, and I'm very happy to be here, to get to know each other, and yes, I'm very happy about the energy and the attitude, the openness. And I'm surprised that there are no more open knowledge activists also in this group, because I feel that the pirate movement and the open knowledge movement are closely related. And I feel that, for instance, the Pirate Party will benefit from more involvement from the open knowledge community, because the needs regarding information, communication, and structure. For instance, in the Wikimedia movement, we are very proficient at that, and I feel we could bring expertise into the Pirate Party. I feel that many people from the open knowledge movement doesn't want to get involved in politics. They prefer to stay neutral, but also because they don't understand the identity of the Pirate Party. So yeah, it will help in a way if from the Pirate Party itself there will be a definition in that regard that will help people understand from outside what it means and how to connect better with the Pirate Party. Like, what is the mission of the Pirate Party at all? It's just the internet, it's just the civil society. What do Pirate Party want? What defines a pirate? Those are things that really could help other people get closer. And I have some ideas in that regard, because when I came from outside, I've observed the movement, but of course it's my view, and I also want to hear the view of everybody. I want to open this discussion generally, and yes, I want to thank everybody to be here, to be in this mission that is very worth it. I really would like to see all of you in power to take good decisions, and I hope that the European elections go very well for everybody of you. And yeah, I want to wish you a lot of success, and if you want to discuss about Pirate Party identity and how to present it to other audiences in a clear way, please come and discuss with me. Thank you very much. Bye.